Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hello traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index climbed to 98.65 on Monday, its highest in nearly a week. This uptick was driven by a newly announced US-EU trade agreement that helped ease tensions. Markets are eyeing today's meeting between US and Chinese officials, which could extend the current tariff truce expiring the 12th of August. Investors are now turning their attention to the Fed's upcoming policy decision and key US data, including GDP, jobs, inflation, and manufacturing numbers. WTI crude surged over 2% on Monday, hitting $66.7 per barrel. The rally followed President Trump's warning that Russia must honor a Ukraine ceasefire within 10 to 12 days or face a 100% secondary tariff. That sparked fears of disrupted oil supply. Meanwhile, the EU's new sanctions targeting Russian oil and refined products are set to kick in by January. If fully enforced, they could tighten global supply. Gold prices fell for a second day on Monday, dipping to a near 3-week low. The drop came as the dollar strengthened and risk appetite returned following the US-EU tariff deal. Spot gold traded at $3,314.3 per ounce, while August futures dropped 0.56%. A stronger dollar and upbeat trade sentiment limited demand for safe haven assets. Investors now await guidance from the Fed's meeting starting Wednesday, as well as major US data that could determine the next move for gold against the dollar. The Japanese yen weakened further against the US dollar. Optimism over the US-EU trade deal boosted risk sentiment, reducing demand for the safe haven yen. At the same time, slowing inflation and political uncertainty in Japan have eased expectations of a Bank of Japan rate hike. While a Japan-US trade agreement has helped clarify economic outlooks, limited rate hike prospects continue to weigh on the yen. The euro initially rose to $1.177 on Monday, but reversed course to close at $1.158, down 1.28%, its lowest in 2 weeks. The pullback came as the dollar gained across the board, with traders reacting to the newly announced US-EU trade agreement. The deal includes a 15% tariff on EU exports, half the rate previously threatened, and exempts certain goods like aircraft parts. While markets broadly welcomed the agreement, some European voices criticised it as unfavourable to the EU.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.